Hello, this is Dr. P. Shobha Rani, Professor in the Department of CSE RMD Engineering College. Today we will try to discuss about the software project management, which comes as under the object-oriented software engineering as a fifth unit. Software project management, that means the name itself says that this project should be managed after creating it. Okay, see, we have the various types of the metrics analytics present under this topics. First, we will try to see the software metrics and analytics. Metrics indicates that we are going to do the measuring, we are going to make use of the metrics indicators, and then we will go for the measurements. Okay, the software metric process will have three P's. This three P's only we will try to call it as a process, product, and then the project. Okay, product quality metrics, in process quality metrics and maintenance quality metrics are very important under the software quality metrics. That means how the product quality you are going to maintain is only nothing but the metrics. That means we are going to value this metrics in the form of the values. And then the in process quality metrics, that means product, when at the beginning we will try to find out, that is nothing but the product quality metrics. In process quality metrics, if the product is under the process, that means the client is using it or end user is using it, how the process it shows the quality metrics. And then the maintenance quality metrics is nothing but it should be maintained for a long number of months or long number of years with the same way of processing is nothing but the maintenance quality metrics. Okay, now as I have given the gist about what is meant by metrics, what is meant by measurements and all, software metrics is nothing but measurements of the software characters which are quantifiable. You know what are all the various types of the characters is nothing but software performance is one of the characters. Metrics help to measure software performance, planning work items, measuring productivity, debugging, and then the cost estimation. The characteristics of the software metrics is a simple way of simple and computable. It should not have the complexity because end user will not be convenient to do the complexity. Unambiguous, it should be and then use consistent unit of measurements. That means independent of programming language, easy to collaborate and cost effective to obtain. We will try to discuss one after the other. As we know that cost effective to obtain means it should be economically, also it should be user friendly. It is easy to collaborate means if this particular software quality, it should be able to collaborate with another software if it is required for any of the metrics. Independent of programming language, the software that has been prepared in any language based, it should be a platform independent and it should be a programming language. Use consistent unit of measurements. Use consistent unit, as we know that the meaning of consistent itself is nothing but the standard way of not fluctuation unit of measurements. We will not do it out. Unambiguous, it should not be ambiguous, as the platform shows it should unambiguous, so only a user friendly. Okay, a measure provides a quantitative indication. It defines that indication of the external amount, dimension, capacity, and the size of some attribute. Okay, this has been defined based on the IEEE glossary defines. An indicator is a metric or a combination of the metric that provide the insight to the software process or a software project or to the product itself. Now we will try to do the what is meant by software metrics, and we will try to understand what is meant by a measurement. Measurement is a simple way how you measure a particular length of a particular rectangle, and you try to measure it in the form of centimeters or maybe the meters or maybe inches, like that. The measurement enables us to gain insight into the process and in the project. Here the software, because it is a software, the measurement varies in the form of a different ways. Measurement can be applied to the software process with the intent of improving it on a continuous basis. Measurements can be used by making use of the throughput of a software project for the estimation, quality control, for the productivity assessment, and then the project control. Software measurement is very much needed in order to prove that that particular software process is successful. That's why the measurement assists in decision making as a project produce. Finally, the measurement is a management tool which will assist the project manager and the software team in making the decisions that will lead to a successful project. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.